Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to panel. I are Muhammad NAZRI bin Ahmad and Encik Muhammad FAIZAL bin Halim. Today I will present about the Projek Sarjana Muda 1. My topic is evolution of food packaging research by using KANSEI engineering. My name is Bazil Salihin bin BUANG. I'm from FTK MP, that is in product design. And my supervisor is Dr. ROSIDAH BINTI JAAFAR. This is our outline. There is inside this presentation have an introduction, literature review, methodology, result, expected result, and reference. The introduction is to what is food packaging. Food packaging is to protect the food product. The food packaging can be categorized by the raw food, liquid or beverage, dry food, fast food, delivery food, long-term expired food, and short-term expired food. Okay. The food packaging must be robust, beautiful, inexpensive, and non-toxic. That is because the toxic can be harmful to the people. Okay. KANSEI engineering is the technique to integrate the emotional and sentimental of the consumer. This is problem statement. KANSEI engineering method use a various type of analysis to collect the data and result from the consumer. The food packaging nowadays is less effective and attractive to the consumer attention to buy that product. Objective is to study the KANSEI engineering method to enhance the customer prefers for the takoyaki packaging. Packaging is the third objective is making a new design of food packaging based on KANSEI engineering. The scope is survey based on the KANSEI engineering method for the question 1. Semantic difference survey. Question 2. Critical wall test is the non-parametric test. For the analysis of the questionnaire 2. House of quality from the questionnaire 2. And software SolidWorks for the build a 3D design, 3D drawing, and Minitab for the critical wall test. Okay, literature review. Okay, the literature review is used to find the past study and to research to finish this topic of research. Okay, material. Bazil say the factor in the selection of packaging material for variety of food product. Mutual D and Pharma say about the material effect on consumer purchase decision. Okay. Packaging color. Madden 2008 introduced about how color can combination are recognized in each location. He teach about the location of the color and type of color need to be used. Commerce and Robin 1997 says explain about the personality of the color of packaging. Like black color is for the expensive packaging, expensive product. Packaging size. Cilio and Space 2004 explain the size and shape determine the user decision. That means they say about the size is refer to the consumer decision to buy the product. Pendergast and Mars says about the size of packaging refer to the price, number of family, purchasing power, and social class. Packaging graphic. Okay. Eldersky and Mission 2014 says type of graphic can attract a consumer. Purist 2010 says a consumer perception and expectation based on the graphic of packaging. Okay, the method used is Crocker and Wallis 1952 and 1953 says about the Crocker-Wallis test is a non-parametric test that equivalent to one-way ANOVA. This test will be used for the questionnaire 2 and to analysis and compare the result. Hartono says combination of method KANSEI engineering and QFD. And QFD I using a house of quality for this research. Okay, the software literature review is the Minitab. The Pulse G. Matthew says 2005, the powerful of Minitab there is inside of the graphic, inside of use, and also the easier to use and easier to arrange. Liu and Ren 2005 say the function of Solid for engineering. That is CAD for the CAD, CAE for engineering in electric and others. Methodology introduction. Okay. Methodology is to use to find, select, process, and analyze for the project and refer to research of methodology based on the literature review. The methodology portion of research paper allow the reader to critically examine and overall validity and reputability of the study. There is the flowchart. Okay, from the starting, from the beginning, I'm starting from the study and research of KANSEI engineering. What is KANSEI engineering? How to find the product? How to state all the KANSEI word. Okay. The second one is problem statement. After that, I'm starting the problem statement of the packaging for each packaging and each type of food. Then I will select the packaging of food. So the food, the packaging of food will using in this project is takoyaki food. Why I choose takoyaki food? Because I'm already going to almost takoyaki stall in Malacca. There is only at the Icro and around the Batu Berendam, and I found most of them are using plastic packaging. So the target of this process, I will do the material of my research. My research is by using the paper packaging. Okay, the first one is the finding the similar and the different product from the market. Okay, from this side, I'm going to find the 20 type of the packaging. The 20 type of packaging to be find the KANSEI word for each of the packaging. Okay, then I'm construct this questionnaire, and from the selected by KANSEI word, then I distribute the questionnaire one. The survey one will take only the 2 days because I just need a 50 respondent to answer this question. So after get the result, I'm filter the 20 KANSEI word and to be going only the 10 packaging will be filtered from the 20 to 10 packaging. Then from the KANSEI word, I'm finding construct the questionnaire to ready the survey to get the more specific result for the customer wishes. Okay. After that, I launch the questionnaire the survey to two category of respondent. The first respondent is the consumer, and the second respondent is to the designer. The designer is one of my friend, and he say he will help me. He going to help me. He was a designer from the Kotak Malaysia, KOM, Sdn Berhad. The factory is at Jalan Usaha 4, Kawasan Perindustrian Aikro, Melaka. Okay, after I get the two result from the customer and the consumer, I will doing a Krukel-Wallis test. There is the one-way ANOVA test to differentiate between both of the result. And after that, from the answer of questionnaire 2, survey 2, I will making a house of quality to get more specific and detailing concept of the design. Then after get the concept of the design, I will start to sketch the model and then start to produce 3-dimensional product, and then I will making a prototype from the 3D model. Okay, this is the 20 product selection based on the food of takoyaki, or the packaging can be used for the takoyaki. Okay, this all the product I find from the literature review and the website. Okay. This is the first survey result I get. Okay, I'm already launched the first survey result, first survey, and this is the result. From this result is from the category of gender. Okay, the result is come from 51 respondents. There is 59% is male and 41 is female. Okay, the 59 is about the 30% of 30 male and 21 female. Okay, this is the age for the survey. The most of answer and the most of respondent will taking a part of the survey one is come from the age 20 to 29. It is because in this age there is more active in social media and with their mobile phone, and maybe they interact with the survey and with this topic to answer it. Then there is no respondent in category 60 and above. It is because the survey come from the Google form, and in this age 60 and above, they maybe did not know how to use this survey and to select the answer. Okay, this is result of packaging sample result from the 20 packaging result. Okay, from this result, I will already get 10 of them to be survey for the next survey 2. Okay, the highest selecting packaging is packaging number 20. There is number 20, this one. Okay, from this packaging 20, we can see there is the effective packaging, because I can see how the KANSEI engineering can be saw from this packaging, because there is more colorful, there is a more structure. This is the strength structure, have an holder there, and have the 2 chopstick in there, and I think this is more friendly to the user, and the shape is very nice. Okay, then there is number 3, 7, 3, 5, 7, 10, 13, and 16 and 18. Okay, 3, 5, 7, 16. Okay, this type of packaging. This type of packaging is almost, maybe the consumer already bore with this packaging, because maybe they are always saw this packaging, and the other thing is not too suitable for the takoyaki product. takoyaki food. And the number 16 is the not selected because actually it is very nice, and the customer maybe did not select for this product because it is too small for the takoyaki, because we can see there is only about the 5 pieces of takoyaki only can be insert, and the material and the color is not too nice for the consumer selection. Okay, this is a result from the KANSEI work we get from this 10 of packaging sample result. Okay, the one is color, packaging and colorless, unique, general, pattern, plain, interesting and boring, size, not size, that means the size is large and small, information and non-information, cleanness and not clean, strong shape and weak shape. Okay, there is a two category in KANSEI word, KANSEI positive and KANSEI negative. Okay, from this KANSEI word, positive and negative, I will build a survey number 2. Okay, this is survey number 2. The left one is KANSEI positive and the right one is KANSEI negative. For the first one is KANSEI positive, and for example, the left one is color and this one is colorless. So if the customer select number 7, the customer is more prefer for the product packaging which the colorless. And if the customer select the number 1 is customer or consumer need the packaging which the more color or variety of color. And number 4 is they prefer both of them. Okay. After we get the survey result, I will go to the ANOVA test, house of quality, sketching the product, 3D design, and produce the prototype. Okay, this is the final one, is expected result. Okay, this is not the final result, just this is the expected, and I will be making a best one for this research to get the most effective product for the consumer, and make a consumer happy with my product, and based on the what KANSEI engineering says. That's all. Thank you.